Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn what is an algorithm is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an algorithm? When we are learning computer programming, the first thing that we will learn is the jargon or the word algorithm. So an algorithm, it refers to a sequence of precise instructions that leads to a solution. The recipe, direction, method, procedures, or routine may be expressed in human language or in a programming language such as C++ or other programming language like Java, C Sharp, PHP. So algorithm means is the solution, no? The step-by-step solution to lead to solve a particular problem in computer programming. That is algorithm is all about. It is very important for us to understand that before we can write a program, we need to create an algorithm so that we can algorithm it just like a plan that we have to follow. So that's it guys, no? That is the definition of an algorithm is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.